Welcome to lesson day 44. 44-darsni boshlaymiz. Bugungi o'rganadigan birinchi so'zimiz free. Bu sifat, adjective. Bo'sh, vaqt yoki joyga nisbatan yoki bepul degan ma'nolari bor. Free. Free. Ertaga bo'shmisiz? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? U bozorlik qilishga borish uchun shanba kuni bo'sh. She is free on Saturday to do shopping. She is free on Saturday to do shopping. She is free on Saturday to do shopping. Park 12 yoshdan kichik bolalar uchun bepul. The park is free for children under 12. Bu yerda park o'zbekcha park so'zi bilan bir xil. 12 yoshdan kichik bolalar deyish uchun children under 12 deb ishlatamiz. Demak, yosh bilan under predlog ishlatilsa, o'sha yoshdan kichik degan ma'noni bildiradi. The park is free for children under 12. The park is free for children under 12. Sen bu kinoni internetda bepulga topishing mumkin. You can find this movie for free on the internet. Bepulga demoqchi bo'lsak, for free deb ishlatamiz. Free bepul, for free bepulga. The internet bu internet degani, har doim the article bilan ishlatiladi. Internetda desak, on predlogidan foydalanamiz. On the internet. Xuddi shunga o'xshab, internetdagi barcha platformalar yoki application programmalar uchun ham on predlogi deb ishlatamiz. On Netflix, on YouTube va hokazo. You can find this movie for free on the internet. You can find this movie for free on the internet. Sen bu kinoni online bepulga tomosha qilsang bo'ladi. You can watch this movie online for free. Bu yerda online o'zbekcha online so'zi bilan bir xil. Online yoki on the internet ma'nolari bir xil. Ya'ni internetdan foydalanib degan ma'noda. You can watch this movie online for free. You can watch this movie online for free. Keyingi so'zimiz advice. Maslahat, tavsiya degani. Fe'l shakli C harfi S harfi almashtirish orqali yasaladi. advise maslahat bermoq. Demak, advice maslahat, advise maslahat bermoq. Advice so'zi sanalmaydigan ot. An advice yoki advices deb ishlatilmaydi. Biror maslahat ma'nosida some advice deb ishlatamiz. Men senga bir maslahat bermoqchiman. I want to give you some advice. E'tibor beramiz, bir maslahat ingliz tilida some advice, chunki an advice deb ishlatilmaydi. I want to give you some advice. I want to give you some advice. Uning maslahatlari menga yordam berdi. His advice helped me. Bu yerda ham maslahatlari ko'plikda, lekin ingliz tilida advice deb ishlatiladi. His advice helped me. His advice helped me. Doktor unga qanday sog'ligini yaxshilash bo'yicha tavsiya berdi. The doctor gave him advice on how to improve his health. Maslahat bermoq ma'nosida give advice deb ham ishlatsa bo'ladi. Biror narsa bo'yicha maslahat bo'lsa, on predlogidan foydalanamiz. Give advice on. The doctor gave him advice on how to improve his health. The doctor gave him advice on how to improve his health. O'qituvchi kitob o'qishni tavsiya qildi. The teacher advised us to read books. Pastdagi formulaga e'tibor beramiz. Advise somebody to do something. Birovga biror narsa qilishni maslahat bermoq degani. The teacher advised us to read books. The teacher advised us to read books. U har doim do'stlariga qattiq o'qishni maslahat beradi. Xuddi oldingi gapdagi formulaga o'xshatib bu gapni ham tuzamiz. He always advises his friends to study hard. Bu yerda ham advise somebody to do something. He always advises his friends to study hard. He always advises his friends to study hard. Keyingi so'zimiz fruit, meva. Fruit so'zi ham ba'zan sanalmaydigan ot sifatida ishlatiladi. Fruit yoki fruits umuman meva yemoq ma'nosida yoki meva ma'nosida fruit ko'plikda ishlatilmaydi. U sanalmaydigan ot. Faqatgina mevalarning turlari nazarda tutilganda uni ko'plikda ishlatsa bo'ladi. Fruits. Fruits. Men ko'p meva yeyman. I eat a lot of fruit. Bu yerda umuman meva ma'nosida aytilgan, o'shaning uchun sanalmaydigan ot. I eat many fruits deyish noto'g'ri. I eat a lot of fruit. I eat a lot of fruit. Hovlida meva daraxti bor yoki hovlida meva daraxti o'sayapti ma'nosida. There is a fruit tree in the backyard. Yoki there is a fruit tree growing in the backyard. There is a fruit tree growing in the backyard. Ya'ni bu yerda meva daraxti bor va o'sayapti degan ma'noda. Tropik mevalarning ko'plab turlari bor. Bu yerda tur ma'nosida kelganligi sababli fruit so'zini ko'plikda ishlatish mumkin. There are many kinds of tropical fruits. Bu yerda tropical tropik degani. There are many kinds of tropical fruits. There are many kinds of tropical fruits. Keyingi so'zimiz rich, boy. Rich. Rich. Agar sifatning oldiga z qo'yilsa, z rich boylar degan ma'noni bildiradi. Ya'ni sifatdan ot yasaymiz. Xuddi shunga o'xshab kambag'al so'zini oldiga z qo'ysangiz, kambag'allar. Kasal so'zini oldiga z qo'yilsa, kasallar. Ya'ni shu turdagi odamlar, umumiy ma'noda o'shalarning guruhi degan ma'noda ishlatiladi. Rich, the rich. Elon Musk Bill Gates'ten boyroq. Elon Musk is richer than Bill Gates. Elon Musk is richer than Bill Gates. Elon Musk is richer than Bill Gates. Boy bo'lish uchun qattiq mehnat qilish kerak. You need to work hard to become rich. You need to work hard to become rich. You need to work hard to become rich. Xivaning boy tarixi bor. Kiva has a rich history. Kiva has a rich history. Kiva has a rich history. Saudiya Arabistoni minerallarga boy. Saudi Arabia is rich in minerals. Bu yerda minerals, minerallar. Biror narsaga boy demoqchi bo'lsak, is rich in predlogidan foydalanamiz. Ya'ni o'sha narsa unda ko'p degan ma'noda. Saudi Arabia bu Saudiya Arabistoni. Saudi Arabia is rich in minerals. Saudi Arabia is rich in minerals. Faqat boylar bu ko'chada yashaydi. Only the rich live on the street. Only the rich live on the street. Only the rich live on the street. Keyingi so'zimiz bright. Yorug', yorqin, porloq. Ikkinchi ma'nosi zukko, aqlli degani. Bright. Bright. Bizning sinf xonamiz juda yorug'. Our classroom is very bright. Our classroom is very bright. Our classroom is very bright. Bu rasmda juda yorqin ranglar bor. This picture has very bright colors. This picture has very bright colors. This picture has very bright colors. Zukko o'quvchilar darsni juda tez tushunadi. Bright students understand lessons quickly. Bright students understand lessons quickly. Bright students understand lessons quickly. Vegetable. Sabzavot degani. Vegetable so'zi fruit so'ziga o'xshab sanalmaydigan ot emas. Buni ko'plikda birlikda ishlatsa bo'ladi. Vegetable, vegetables. E'tibor beramiz, vegetable deb ko'pchilik noto'g'ri talaffuz qiladi. Vegetable emas, balki vegetable. Vegetable. Sabzavotlar sog'liq uchun foydali, chunki ular vitaminlarga boy. Vegetables are good for your health because they are rich in vitamins. Bu yerda vitamin, vitamin degani. Vegetables are good for your health because they are rich in vitamins. Vegetables are good for your health because they are rich in vitamins. 3 xil sabzavotdan salat tayyorladim. I made the salad from 3 types of vegetables. I made the salad from 3 types of vegetables. I made the salad from 3 types of vegetables. Doktor unga ko'proq meva va sabzavotlar yeyishni aytdi. The doctor told him to eat more fruit and vegetables. Bu yerda tell somebody to do something degan formuladan foydalandik. Birovga biror narsa qilishni aytmoq. The doctor told him to eat. Doktor unga yeyishni aytdi. The doctor told him to eat more fruit and vegetables. The doctor told him to eat more fruit and vegetables. Keyingi so'zimiz hospital. Kasalxona, shifoxona. Hospital. Hospital. Bu yerga yaqin yerda kasalxona bormi? Yoki bu yerga yaqin joyda kasalxona bormi? Is there a hospital near here? Bu yerda here, bu yerda yoki bu yerga, near here, bu yerga yaqin joyda. Is there a hospital near here? Is there a hospital near here? U shifoxonada ishlaydi. He works at the hospital. Kasalxonada at predlogi bilan beriladi. Faqatgina at predlogi hospital bilan agar siz u yerga ishlash uchun yoki biror ish uchun yoki kimnidir ko'rishga borsangizgina at predlogi ishlatiladi. Kasal odam kasalxonada demoqchi bo'lsak in predlogi ishlatiladi. Faqat kasallar uchun in, boshqa hammalar uchun at predlogini qo'yamiz. He works at the hospital. He works at the hospital. U kasalxonada 2 kun qoldi, ya'ni bemor sifatida. She stayed in the hospital for 2 days. E'tibor bering, kasalxonada bu yerda in predlogi bilan berildi. Chunki bemor uchun. She stayed in the hospital for 2 days. She stayed in the hospital for 2 days. Keyingi so'zimiz head. Bosh. Ikkinchi ma'nosi boshliq, rahbar. Head. Head. Oyim boshimdan o'pdi va xayrli tun dedi. My mother kissed my head and said good night. Bu yerda kiss o'pmoq degan. Good night bu xayrli tun. Good morning ertalabki salom bo'lsa, good night uxlayotgan odamga yoki xayrlashayotgan payti kechqurun good night deb xayrlashish mumkin. Xayrli tun degan. My mother kissed my head and said good night. My mother kissed my head and said good night. Salomlashishning barcha turlarini ko'rib chiqamiz. Ushbu jadval bo'yicha vaqtga qarab qaysi salomlashish turi ishlatilishi mumkinligi ko'rsatilgan. Ertalabdan boshlab tushlik paytidagi soat 12 gacha good morning so'zi ishlatiladi. Xayrli tong degani. Good morning. Tushlikdan boshlab soat 12 dan boshlab to kechqurungacha yoki kun qoragungacha good afternoon ishlatiladi. Xayrli kun degani. Good afternoon. Kechki payt salomlashganda good evening deb salomlashiladi. Good night ko'proq tungi payt xayrlashish uchun ishlatiladigan salomlashish turi. Xayrli tun. Good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Good morning bilan good afternoon faqatgina soat 12 da ajratiladi. Qolganlarini bir-biridan ajratish vaqti kunni darajasiga qarab, ya'ni yorug'i yoki qorong'ulik darajasiga qarab aniqlash mumkin. Ajdarxoning 3 ta boshi bor. The dragon has 3 heads. Bu yerda dragon ajdarxo yoki rus tilida drakon. The dragon has 3 heads. The dragon has 3 heads. U kompaniyaning boshlig'i. He is the head of the company. Bu yerda company, kompaniya. Company. He is the head of the company. He is the head of the company. Keyingi so'zimiz ache. Ache deb yozilgani bilan ache deb o'qiymiz. Ham fe'l ham ot sifatida ishlatiladi. Ot sifatida og'riq, fe'l sifatida og'rimoq degan ma'noni bildiradi. Head so'ziga qo'shilsa headache bosh og'rig'i degani. Bu bitta so'z. Headache. Ache, headache. Futbol o'ynagandan keyin oyog'im og'riyapti. My foot aches after playing football. Ache so'zi og'zaki nutqda kamroq ishlatiladi. Uni o'rniga hurts so'zi ko'proq og'zaki nutqda qo'yilishi mumkin. My foot hurts. Hurt so'zini alohida keyingi darslarda o'rganamiz. My foot aches after playing football. U og'riq his qildi. He felt an ache. Bu yerda ache so'zi sanaladigan ot bo'lganligi sababli an artikli bilan ishlatish mumkin. An ache. Oldin aytganimdek ache so'zi og'zaki nutqda kam ishlatilganligi sababli uni o'rnini bosuvchi boshqa so'zlar bor. Bu yerda pain ham og'riq degan ma'noni bildiradi. Bu so'zni ham alohida keyinchalik o'rganamiz. He felt an ache yoki he felt pain. Biror joyimda demoqchi bo'lsangiz in predlogi bilan o'sha tana a'zosini ko'rsatish mumkin. He felt pain in his foot. Menda bosh og'rig'i bor. I have a headache. Ache so'zi sanalganligi sababli headache so'zi ham artikli bilan ishlatildi. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. E'tibor beramiz, ache so'zini tananing barcha a'zolariga qo'shib ishlatib bo'lmaydi. Ba'zilari uchun ishlatiladi. Misol uchun tish og'rig'i, toothache yoki qorin og'rig'i, stomach ache. Lekin boshqa tana a'zolari bilan o'sha joyim og'riyapti deb aytish mumkin. Keyingi so'zimiz 20, 20. Yana boshqacha o'qilishi 20, ya'ni t harfi talaffuz qilinmaydi. 20, 20. 20lik sonlar. 20 so'zidan boshlab barcha 100 gacha bo'lgan sonlarni 1, 2, 3 va hokazo 9 gacha bo'lgan sonlarni qo'shib turib barcha 20lik, 30lik va hokazo 100 gacha bo'lgan sonlarni yasash mumkin. 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Birdan 9 gacha sonlarni oldin o'rgandik. Demak, 20 soniga shu sonlarni birin-ketin qo'shsangiz barcha sonlar hosil bo'ladi. U 20 yoshda. He is 20 years old. He is 20 years old. He is 20 years old. Bizda sinfimizda 23 ta o'quvchi bor. We have 23 students in the class. We have 23 students in the class. We have 23 students in the class. Majlisga 27 ta odam keldi. "27 people came to the meeting." "27 people came to the meeting." 27 people came to the meeting. Bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarimizning ro'yxati: free bo'sh, bepul; advice maslahat, tavsiya; advise maslahat bermoq; fruit meva; rich boy; bright yorug' yorqin yoki zukko aqlli; vegetable sabzavot; hospital kasalxona, shifoxona; head bosh yoki boshliq rahbar; ache og'rimoq, og'riq; headache bosh og'rig'i; 20 yoki 20 20. Ushbu hikoyani faqat eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. Yesterday it snowed all day and all night. This morning, when I went outside, it was so bright that it gave me a headache. I usually get a headache when it's too bright, so I went to the hospital. The doctor examined my head and asked, "Did you sleep well?" I said, "No, I was watching a movie during the night and did not go to bed early." She smiled and said, "You are not sick, but I want to give you some advice. Eat more fruits and vegetables because they have the vitamins you need. Don't watch movies for hours and go to sleep early at night." Her advice was free, and I did not have to give any money. Then I went home and saw a small shop on the street. A person there was giving away vegetables for free. I asked, "Are these free?" He said, "Yes, I'm rich and I want to help people." I took some vegetables and put them in my bag. The rich person also gave me $20. People like him still exist in the world. Ikkinchi marta o'qiyman. Ham o'qib, ham eshitib tushunishga harakat qiling. Yesterday it snowed all day and all night. This morning, when I went outside, it was so bright that it gave me a headache. I usually get a headache when it's too bright, so I went to the hospital. The doctor examined my head and asked, "Did you sleep well?" I said, "No, I was watching a movie during the night and did not go to bed early." She smiled and said, "You are not sick, but I want to give you some advice. Eat more fruits and vegetables because they have the vitamins you need. Don't watch movies for hours and go to sleep early at night." Her advice was free, and I did not have to give any money. Then I went home and saw a small shop on the street. A person there was giving away vegetables for free. I asked, "Are these free?" He said, "Yes, I'm rich and I want to help people." I took some vegetables and put them in my bag. The rich person also gave me $20. People like him still exist in the world. Shuni bilan darsimizni yakunlaymiz. Barchangizga katta rahmat. Thank you very much. Like bosishni unutmang. Bye bye.